Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning Skoda Karoq TSI SportLine with a DSG automatic gearbox. Now this vehicle comes to us finished in Meteor grey with a black cloth upholstery which has a contrast stitching we'll be seeing very shortly. To add to this, we have an incredible list of specification, a fantastic service history, and an absolutely wonderful condition, both exterior and interior. So this vehicle comes to us, has covered just 35,321 miles. It has a full Skoda service history, and as mentioned, stunning condition and a wonderful specification. And to take you through some of those items on the exterior, we have a panoramic roof. We'll be able to see some more of that when we head inside the vehicle. We also have front and rear sensors with a reverse camera, full LED lighting. We can see we have gloss black trim elements to the wing mirror. Also the weather strip going around the windows, the inner edge of the alloy wheel, and that privacy glass we can see there from the B pillar backwards, working perfectly with the Meteor grey. Now we also have a nice little list of factory fitted optional extras on this vehicle, including items such as a heated windscreen wash. We also have a rough road package, a steel space saver wheel instead of the tyre inflation kit, and a double-sided boot floor for practical purposes. Now standard equipment on this model range provided us with an excellent level of equipment which we'll be able to have a look at as we head inside the vehicle. Some things that are certainly worth noting are Skoda Puddle lights. I do quite like them myself. We have in the footwells proper Skoda Karoq all-weather mats, and here is that cloth upholstery with a nice herringbone finish to the centre, a contrast stitching, and we can see the blue dashes of ambient lighting inside this vehicle as well. Up top we can see the panoramic roof. It's in its tilted position currently. That will slide all the way back, and there is an electric blind which will cover this, and that's the same level of tint as the privacy glass to keep a lot of heat out of the vehicle. And some of the other items that we have in here are a full touchscreen which includes the navigation, all of the multimedia, the Bluetooth, and of course the reverse camera image. As we head down into the centre here, we have items such as heated seats for driver and passenger, along with a dual zone climate control. You can see the engine start button just there. Once you're in the vehicle, it's full keyless operation. Having a little look into the back of the vehicle, we can see those all-weather mats in the rear of the vehicle as well, and a quality and condition back here, which is second to none. So we are very, very proud to be bringing this vehicle to market with all of the great news about it, such as the condition, specification and history. And of course at AMT, we will be more than happy to discuss with you any of your funding requirements, and also for any customers wishing to have any extended warranties. Our partners Warranty-wise are of course very happy to discuss those options with you. And of course any of our vehicles that we have in stock, should customers wish to keep them in this condition, we have also partnered with Autoglim and their Life Shine product to ensure exterior and interior vehicle protection at the highest level. So thank you once again for your inquiry. We'll be in touch very soon with some calculations. Bye for now.